are discussing about the chapter motion. In everyday life, we see some objects at rest and others in motion. Motion is a change in position of an object over time. Motion is described in terms of displacement, distance, velocity, acceleration, time and speed. Causes of the phenomena of sunrise, sunset and changing of seasons is due to the motion of the earth. An object's motion cannot change unless it is acted upon by a force as described. Most motions are complex. Some objects may move in a straight line, others may take a circular path. In this chapter, we shall first learn to describe the motion of objects along a straight line. We also learn to express such motions through symbol equations and graphs, and we shall discuss ways of describing circular motion. Let's start our journey through this chapter. Movement of any object from one position to another position with respect to the observer is called as motion. The object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. It is said to be in uniform motion. The time interval in this motion may be small or big. Different objects may take different amounts of time to cover a given distance. Some of them move fast and some move slowly. The rate at which objects move can be different. Also, different objects can move at the same rate. One of the ways of measuring the rate of motion of an object is to find out the distance travelled by the object in unit time. This quantity is referred to as speed. So, speed is equal to distance travelled by time taken. Average speed is the ratio of total distance travelled to total time taken by the body gives its average speed. So, average speed is equal to total distance travelled divided by total time taken. It's a scalar unit. SI unit or speed is meter per second. The quantity that specifies both these aspects is called velocity. Distance time graphs. The change in the position of an object with the time can be represented on the distance time graph adopting a convenient scale of choice. Distance time graphs can be employed under various conditions where objects move with a uniform speed, non-uniform speed, remain at rest, etc. Now, let's study about velocity time graphs. The variation in velocity with the time for an object moving in a straight line can be represented by a velocity time graph. In this graph, time is represented along the x-axis and the velocity is represented along y-axis. If the object moves at a uniform velocity, the height of its velocity time graph will not change with the time. Okay friends, this is it for today. I hope all of you understood this lesson. We'll meet you with another important chapter. Till then, bye.